Do you want to build wealth and make money without all of the hustle and grind and truly live a life that truly helps the people that you love and that matter to you the most? Well, in this video, I want to show you how to do that. But first, I want to show you and let you know how AI is threatening all of that. Now, I'm not coming to you as some kind of conspiracy theorist or something like that. And if you believe or don't believe in conspiracy theories and you're all up into that, this is not that kind of video. So if that's what you're looking for, click off right now. But the thing that I want you to just be aware of is, number one, AI has exploded in the recent months and recent years. However, the thing that a lot of people don't understand, who don't have the awareness, is that AI has been around for years. And typically when something has been around for years and then all of a sudden the general public hears about it, it's too late then. It's typically too late for people to truly build wealth when everybody hears about it. You think about the Amazon stock. Years ago, Amazon was pre-IPO stock, meaning that people didn't really know about Amazon and what it was and things like that, that you could even buy stock. And those people that got in for that stock, they are like multi-millionaires and billionaires times over, and the general public did not have access to that. But when people found out about Amazon stock and it became public, yeah, you could still make money from it, but you could not have the same returns and opportunities as those that got in at the ground floor offer. AI is no different. AI has been around for years and years and years. And the thing about AI is that, especially people that already have an existing business, it has become more of a hindrance, to people in their cash flow situations than it has been a help. And for a lot of people, and this is the most distracting, for a lot of people that are looking to start a business, it has been the number one distraction and cash flow killer of people that want to start a business. Why? Because people don't understand that when you use things like ChatGPT and Jasper and these different AIs, it's a skill set that you actually need in order for that AI to work effectively on your behalf. That's not something that people talk about a lot. And so what a lot of times people are doing is that they're using AI to justify avoiding income producing activities, because for 99.9% of people, AI is not a generating, it's not an income activity generating activity that people are focusing on. It's a distraction. And here's the thing that I really think it's important for people to understand. The most effective AI that you can use is not artificial intelligence, it's authentic intelligence. Meaning the thing that you think about, the thing that God has created you to do and show the world to give. You can't just type that in ChatGPT and it just pops out and just discovers, what it's supposed to do. Because here's the reality. People on the other side of whatever you're typing into ChatGPT or whatever else that somebody might be using, on the other side of that, when you copy and paste that and you provide that for others to see, more than likely they're going to know that this is not a human. This is not authentic. This is something that looked just like these 100 other people who did the same thing because they put the same caption or question inside of this AI, and they got the same exact response. And so when people start to see something that you posted that somebody else posted somewhere else, they're going to start to question, number one, your authenticity. They're going to question your motives, and they're actually going to question your credibility and your ability to actually help them. Because if you can't come up with something original that came from you, then what good are you to those people on the other side that actually might enroll you or pay for your products and services or things like that? And so the thing that I want you to understand is this: whether you believe in conspiracy theories or not, it is a reason why people all of a sudden have gotten access to all of these different AIs that have really been around for years. And one of the biggest reasons, if you just look around you, this is not my opinion, just look around you. So many people are distracted with AI to the point that it has become a toy that so many adults play with, and they put down their income producing as a result of picking up this toy. And for so many people, even when it comes to AI writing things out for them, people spend weeks trying to put in the right question, or the right prompt to get everything spit out for them. And here's the thing. When you waste so much time trying to figure out the right prompt, the right thing to put in, that means that you're not producing and you're not serving those people on the other side who truly need what only you can actually offer. So when you think about it from that perspective, even though people are using AI because it's supposed to help you to create things faster, it's really causing them to take much longer than they would if they just sat down and focused and used their own intelligence and their own authenticity to figure out, you know what, the best people that I can serve is me 5 years ago. Whoever you are, whatever that might be, like you've grown so much, there's things that you know now that you didn't know 5 years ago, and the only thing that you have to do to truly make 6 and even 7 figures is just serve you 5 years ago. Think about, what did you need? What did you want to know? What did you desperately desire? And now that you already know those things, you have those things, use that. Use that to serve those people who are where you're at or where you were 5 years ago. That's the thing that people can actually do to make a lot of money. Because you think about it, the wealthiest people in the world, what do? And I don't want to minimize it, but they just solve big problems. And if you solve big problems, you'll never need AI. Now, I want to be fully transparent. I'm not saying that AI doesn't work. I'm not saying that AI can't work. I'm saying that for 99% of people, AI is more of a distraction than it ever is to help you to increase your cash flow. So right now, AI is something that a lot of people are using to create their own debt. Whatever debt that they were in before, this is only increasing their debt even more. And AI has truly become something that has become a poverty trap for most people because they find a lot of pleasure in AI. This is cool. Look at this prompt, man. I put this one question in and it types out a whole book for me. But here's the reality. If you can get AI to type an entire book for you, but nobody's going to read it and nobody will ever buy it, what good did that do you? It did you no good. You got a book, but nobody's going to read it. Nobody's going to buy it because guess what? There's at least 100,000 other people who have the same idea, the same prompts, the same words, the same everything that you have. So why would somebody buy your book versus somebody else's? And here's the reality. People don't even read like they used to anyway. Like, information is becoming more and more prevalent, and people are more about community than they are about information. And so a lot of the things that people don't even realize as it relates to AI is that, yeah, AI spits out so much information, but the more information becomes readily available and abundant, the less valuable that it is. The same thing with money. When you think about how much money has been printed, even just in the last 3 years, more money has been printed in the last 3 years at the recording of this video than it has been printed in the last 20 years prior to that. And as a result, money is not as valuable as it used to be because it's an abundance of it. It's just printing, massively, if you will. And the point that I'm trying to make is this. When it comes to AI, you want to be really, really careful how you use AI and how you depend on AI, and make sure that you're not blinded by your own value. Because there are so many people that have massive value that people need and people can benefit from, and people that are willing to pay for it. But because people have these limiting beliefs and they don't value themselves, or they think that they're not enough, they feel like they need this artificial intelligence to make what they already know more valuable. And what they're actually doing is really devaluing what they already know. So I just want to leave you with that. And if you like this video, I want to encourage you to subscribe and share this with other people. And here's the reality. If you really want to make money, I want to invite you to go to joinstressfreewealth.com. That's joinstressfreewealth.com. And there I show you specifically how to make $3,000 to $5,000 every single month writing emails. No, it is not a scam. It's not a con. And here's the best part. You don't need AI. You don't need AI at all. All you need to do is just use your authentic intelligence. and that will get you to where you want to go. But listen, family, make today phenomenal and understand that you're in control of it. And the most valuable asset on the face of this earth to you is the reflection that you're made in. And it doesn't get any better than that. And again, AI is only a tool that people can use, but it's never something to replace people's valuable authenticity and their intelligence for something that's not authentic. Stay blessed.